everyone, welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time here, my name is Laura and welcome to my channel. Today is day 12 of Facemasktober and we are going to be doing a color changing kit. So this is by Maskology again, or Maskology. Totally butchering that name every time I say it. So it's a color change 3-step gold kit. It says color changes from white to gold before your eyes. 3-in-1 kit, color change, purify, and hydrate. So the first step is to exfoliate. It's an exfoliating cleanser. Second step is a peel-off mask, and the third step is a moisturizer. So we're going to go ahead and get started on this. I am going to start obviously with the cleanser. It says it purifies and removes excess oil, dead skin cells, and makeup. Gently cleanse and exfoliate to remove any makeup with environmental toxins. Rinse thoroughly. Okay, so we're going to go do the first step. So obviously I do not have a sink in front of me and I'm not moving everything to the bathroom, but I will go do the first step and I will be right back. Okay, so I had to come show you this real quick. This is the cleanser on my face. And I know it says that it's color changing. I guess I assumed that it was the actual peel off part that's color changing. That is the color of the cleanser that comes out, so it's kind of like a white creamy with exfoliating bits in it, beads or something like that. It changed yellow on my face, so I don't know if that's supposed to be the color changing part or if it's actually lifting up my self tanner, which could be a possibility. So I'm just gonna see what it does on the back of my hand here. I guess if it lifted up my self tanner, I'll have to re-tan again. So it looks like it's changing a little bit. Oh yeah. So yeah, kind of almost matches my face now. So I also wonder if the peel off part, the actual mask part, is also color changing. Because I planned on sitting on camera for you. So yeah, that was interesting. I just wanted to show you that real quick. So I'm going to go wash this off and I'll be back. Okay, so we've got that washed off. We're on to step 2. Step 2 is the peel off mask. It is a deep cleanse and unclog pores. Or deep cleanse and unclog pores. Some of these things, how they word them, are so weird. I swear it's not just me. Directions: apply an even layer of peel-off mask, avoiding eyebrows, eye area, lips, and hairline. Leave on 15-20 minutes until completely dry. Gently peel off mask and rinse remaining residue or product. And I forgot to grab my little container and a little brush, so I'm going to have to get that now. Okay, so we got our little container and a brush. I like how this is just in a straight one, so I can just easily go like this and get the product out without a lot of hassle. It's like iridescent. You can probably not tell. Oh, I'm gonna like this one. Can already see it changing.
Has no patience, look at his face and in his eyes. He's been waiting, he's been way bound to the die. Always taking chances, all those conversations. Don't know if I'll make it, don't know why he even tries. Say, oh, I am a believer. Oh, don't know where I'll be if I'm not free to take a lead. Oh, I am a believer. Oh, ground beneath my feet, but I don't flee cause I believe. I'll stay down to the ground. Stay down to the ground.
Okay, so pretty much got it all. We're going to go ahead and let it do its thing now. I think it said 15-20. Yeah, 15-20 minutes. So I'll set my clock for 20 minutes. And I'm going to stay here on camera. I brought my laptop in so I can work on stuff while we watch it change colors, hopefully. Forgetting what I'm doing. Alright, here we go.
Oh, dancing, oh, dancing, oh, dancing, stay down to the dancing, 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 Stay down to the ground. Stay down to the ground, 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 ground. Stay down to the dancing, oh 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 dancing. Stay down to the dancing, dancing, dancing,
So I'm looking at it here, and it is all dried. I don't have any parts where it is sticking to my face. So I suppose it's time to peel it off. Oh man, that hurts my little baby hairs. Wow, that was bad.
Has no patience, look at his face.
Oh my god, why does this hurt so bad?
He's been way bound to the die. Always taking chances, all those conversations. Don't know if I make it, don't know why.
Okay. I said to peel it off slowly, but I don't want to. Ow, my hair is in there.
Stay down to the ground. Stay down to the ground.
I need a belt to bite down on.
Stay down to the
That really hurt. Seriously. God, it really hurts. I do peel off masks all the time, and I'm sorry, but this one is painful. I don't know. I guess I do trim like peach fuzz every now and then. Probably like once or twice a month. I use one of these and I just kind of trim it. I don't know the last time I did it. It wasn't that long ago, but I know it's sticking to it good. Owie. So if you have peach fuzz, you will be warm. Okay, so there's still little bits and pieces, so I'm gonna grab one of my little face wipes here. Alright, so I don't know if I should review it before or after the last step, but we're just gonna go ahead with the last step. I mean, I don't know, I think my skin looks pretty good now. So the last step is the moisturizer. It says it hydrates for supple, smooth skin. Apply moisturizer and a thin, even layer. I wonder if this will be color changing too. Hopefully it doesn't change into like foundation color or something. I really rather didn't. It's probably going to be a lot, so I'm just going to take a little bit at first. Maybe I'll have to put it down in the chest or something. Oh, okay, it just smells like lotion. It doesn't smell like floral or anything like that. So the claims for this mask are that it's supposed to purify your skin and hydrate. I don't know if it purified my skin or not. I know that it really hurt when I ripped off the peel mask, so hopefully it took some dirt out of my skin when it did that. The cleanser was actually pretty nice because it had like the little beads or whatever, the exfoliant in it, and it was a nice thick like kind of moisturizing cleanser. And then of course you got the moisturizer on now, so hopefully I can leave this on overnight and it won't break out my skin or anything, but I mean it definitely feels moisturized right now having that moisturizer on there. So it's nice that it comes with those 3 things, so you can cleanse your skin, you can do a mask, and then you can moisturize afterwards, which you would definitely need to moisturize after using that peel-off mask. That felt like it ripped off a few layers, so yeah. I don't mind it. I think it's a good mask. Got it at Walmart, $2.50. It was fun to watch it change. I thought it was interesting that the cleanser also changed. I am glad that the moisturizer did not change color. Let me know if you have tried the mask out yet, or if you're going to go pick it up. Please thumbs up this video if you enjoyed it. And if you haven't subscribed yet, please do so now. That way you don't miss out on my future videos. And until tomorrow's next Facemasktober video, I hope you're having a great day, night, weekend, wherever you are, whatever you're doing. Bye, everybody.